sometimes we may also want to put all the styles into one object. So we can now create an object called styles. And inside the styles, there are two properties. One is inner styles, inner div, and the other is outer div. First, we have to copy this one. We only copy content and paste it inside the inner style. And then we go to the custom.css, and we have also need to copy this and convert to the JSON. We can also copy it by ourselves, and the other way is to paste it into a website and convert it into a JSON object. We already pasted the CSS inside here, and then we can now just copy the styles it converted and back to the app.js, and then paste it inside the outer div. Now we have to change it to styles. This one also can be deleted. We can now just need to type styles.inner div, or should be outer div. And this one is inner div. We make a mistake here. This should be the outer div. And this should be the inner div. So when we take a look, this looks exactly the same.